Hey, what is up everybody? This is Rob. So here's the thing, guys. If you have a base model Tacoma, you might actually want to switch out those base model halogens for something a little bit better. You know, halogen lights, they're good, they're usually fine, but let's face it, we always want just a little bit more visibility at night. You know, that's why, for example, on mine, I do have the factory LEDs. Instead, that came optional. But if you have the halogens, then you will be looking into different ways you could increase your lighting output. You know, and one of the common ones are the LEDs, which does bring me to these. So this is the Lasfit high power LED lights. So these are for the low beam. These are really good, guys. So these are actually a 72 watt set, so 36 watts per bulb. They are about 6,000 temperature. So you're gonna get a nice cool white, maybe with a slight hint of blue in them. And these are very, very high quality products, guys. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna unbox these and let's see what we have. And then we're gonna go ahead and install them on this base model Tacoma. And then we're gonna see how everything is looking. All right, so let's get into it. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna open this up. Very nice packaging, actually, also. Lastly, if you're watching this, really good. It's tight fit. All right. Have the manual, stickers. Everyone always likes stickers. And here are the actual lights. So if you're like me, you're used to changing out lights on cars. So these ones are LEDs. So this is going to be really simple, guys. So here is the heat fan. It's really cool. Sometimes you have to basically attach this somewhere else. But see how it's built into the design on the light. So really nice. Once again, these are 6K. And then this is just where the stock plug will go from your lights. Really simple, guys. We're just gonna pull out the halogens, plug this in, plug in the halogen connector in here, and then we will be good to go. So let's go ahead and let's get to it. All right, you guys, so really easy. Just reach behind, get to the halogen. You always have to do a twist, you know, just like other cars and trucks. You pull it out. Now for this one, we will be unplugging this whole mechanism part. So use a screwdriver and just hit the release. It's one of those good old truck releases. And right here. And there we go. And now that that's out, now the nice thing is that we'll just have to plug this in. Nice and easy. And then you're just going to reach in behind and go ahead and just plug it in. And then give it a twist. All right, guys, so just want to show you guys. We'll let this focus right there. So that there, you know, that's the LED light. It was a very tight fit. You can see this little bit of metal right here. So I actually did have to go ahead and take off just the screws. So one screw, two screw, I mean, technically these are just 10 mils. And then this one push tab right there. That was just to bring the headlight just enough just to give me some room. Really easy, guys, did not take a long time. Just keep that in mind. You might just need that extra room to get back there. All right, you guys, so now we have on one side, we have here the LEDs, and on this side, the stock halogens. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna turn them on real quick, see how they look. Wow, that looks good. So you can actually hear the fan whirring a little bit. Okay, so look at that. You got the plain Jane halogens, and then the much nicer looking LEDs on the side. And then let's see. So you can definitely see, you know, a much brighter beam. Pretty cool. So of course there may be some adjusting needs to happen, but it definitely looks a lot better, guys. Look, just the white is just so much more crisp. Definitely, in my opinion, you know, looks a lot better. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna see how it looks, you know, with some distance. So let's go ahead and let's get out there. All right, guys, so heading to a good spot, you know, to really show you guys how far the light goes and just driving impressions. It is a lot better than the halogen stuff, guys. Like, the reach is really good. Definitely, you know, definitely an improvement. So we're gonna go and, you know, find a nice spot to really show how far it's going. All right, guys, so as you can see, we're out here right now. Looks good. The fans that were for cooling, you can't even hear them when the truck is on. When it's off, yeah, you can hear them, but it's not too bad, especially when the hood is down. And look at that reach, guys. this definitely goes out really far because these are higher powered at 36 watts per light. You know, definitely a solid product from Lasfit. Definitely do recommend looking into these guys. If you have the halogen lights, definitely look into upgrading, guys. Good visibility, and once again, guys, it just looks real good. I mean, if I didn't have the factory LEDs, I would have done this too. I mean, it looks great. Once again, they are 6K. Definitely do recommend these. And yeah, I'm gonna give my seal of approval to these. So once again, Lasfit, great product. Now with that, guys, this is Rob, and have a good one.